Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. The hot, dry regions, where the average rainfall is less than 25 centimeter, are called deserts. The Sahara Desert in the northern part of Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. The Arabian Peninsula on the western side of Asia is also a hot and dry desert. Location and extent. The Arabian Peninsula is surrounded by the Red Sea on the west, the Gulf of Aden and the Arabian Sea on the south, and the Persian Gulf on the east. Saudi Arabia is surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait in the north, Qatar, Oman, and United Arab Emirates in the east, Yemen in the south, and Red Sea in the west. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. The map showing the deserts of the world. Physical features. The major part of Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau covered by loose sand. This vast sandy area is called Nafud in the north and Rubal Khali in the south. The loose hills of sand are called sand dunes. A few wadis or temporary streams are formed after rains. The climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry. During the summer season, the days are hot and nights are cool. During the daytime, the sun shines very brightly. The temperature can be more than 50 degrees Celsius. During the winter season, the days are warm and nights are very cold. Strong winds blow almost throughout the year and dust storms are common. There is hardly any rain. Abha, a hill station in southwest, is cool in the summer season. Cacti are common plants whose leaves are reduced to thorns. The stems and roots are soft and fleshy. They can store water. Thus, there is less loss of water through evaporation. At some places, the underground water comes to the surface through spring. This place is called an oasis. Small villages develop around this area and farming can be done due to fertile soil. Economic activity. The main crops grown are wheat, barley, dates, vegetables, and alfalfa. It is the largest producer and exporter of mineral oil in the world, which is also known as liquid gold. With the income from the sale of petroleum, the government is developing industries and means of transport and communication. Bedouins. Some of the people still live in their own traditional way, and most of them are nomads. They move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and water. They move with long rows of camels called caravan. The camel is known as the ship of the desert. It provides Bedouins milk, meat, hair, skin. It can travel long distances on the sand and can live without food and water. Life of the people. Riyadh is the largest city and Jeddah is the main commercial city and a busy seaport. The traditional dress is a long cloak worn over a smock, which is called a thorn. Women wear long black cloak to cover their faces called abaya. Arabic is the national language. Al-Adha is the national dance of Saudi Arabia. Mecca and Medina are two most important pilgrim centers of Muslims. Muslims from all over the world visit these holy places at least once in their lifetime. Thank you for watching.